Nowadays, giant machines play an important role in forestry logging processes. With the ability to quickly cut and process wood, these machines have helped to optimize labor efficiency. Please follow the operation of these powerful and advanced machines with us. Subscribe to our channel to receive more interesting videos.
In Western Oregon, the John Deere 959M propelled by a powerful 330 horsepower engine. This forestry harvester moves through the woods, processing an astonishing 20 trees per minute, with the first stage and the ability to operate quickly and productively.
In the world of hydraulic chainsaws, the MS750 stands out for its powerful and efficient cutting processes. Its powerful hydraulic system makes it a reliable choice for heavy-duty applications. The Waratah H414 has emerged as a standout piece of equipment in pine tree felling, with an impressive processing speed of up to 13 feet per second. It also has the ability to process trees from 3 to 24 inches in diameter. The Wiedemann 1000 rotor intruding with rotor opening from 15 to 100 centimeters is a game changer. The Waratah H414 reigns supreme as a formidable force in tree harvesting, boasting the ability to handle trees from 3 to 24 inches in diameter. It is a symbol of efficiency and versatility. Of the perfect combination between man and a John Deere 2144G. With a powerful 172 horsepower engine, this forestry machine transforms the forestry landscape with its powerful capabilities. The J. D'Souza grapple saw on the Caterpillar 320D FM excavator is designed to be rugged and is capable of cutting up to 32 inches to help improve tree felling and handling efficiency. In the field of cutting excellence, the Stihl MS261CM chainsaw is equipped with a 50.2cc engine, as well as the convenience of the quick chain tension system, ensuring optimal performance and ease of use. In the field of advanced chainsaws, the Husqvarna 592 XP with a powerful 92cc engine and an impressive chain speed of up to 9,600 RPM. This means this chainsaw delivers excellent cutting performance. The Malwa 560C is equipped with the Logmax 928 control system. This is a dynamic duo that redefines efficiency. With a cutting capacity of up to 23 inches, it processes wood quickly and accurately. In Brazil, the Tiger Cat L870C has a powerful engine of 328 horsepower, as well as a cutting capacity of up to 26 inches to help ensure efficient harvesting in pine forests. Up to 28 inches of cutting capacity and incredible 360-degree continuous rotation makes the Titan with the R3 the ideal choice for demanding logging operations. In the woodworking sector, the Halverson wood processor on a Kubota tractor is a dynamic solution for efficient firewood production. With this man's creativity, a machine with a high capacity was created to help split logs easily and accurately. The PTH-18 Cat with the TH-65 processing head stands out as a formidable force. With a powerful 570 horsepower motor and cutting capacity of up to 26 inches, it ensures efficient and precise pine harvesting. In the field of forestry equipment, the Komatsu Tiago machine is designed to be sturdy and has a cutting capacity of up to 26 inches. This helps to operate wood effectively. With a cutting capacity of up to 24 inches and outstanding speed, the Sampo HR86 harvester will transform the forestry landscape in the vast forests of Norddeutschland. The Jack 400 attachment on the Volvo 210 excavator is a power duo that redefines efficiency. This setup ensures precision and speed in forestry operations. A close-up of the wood carving process uses an advanced design saw combined with sharp chain links. In the middle of the forest, the Waratah H414 is considered a formidable force in logging. With outstanding processing speeds of up to 12 feet per second and the ability to process logs from 3 to 24 inches in diameter, this harvesting head redefines efficiency. Tiger Cat 870C Feller Buncher, with its powerful 300 horsepower engine and the ability to handle multiple trees at once, has helped this machine to revolutionize the logging industry. In the field of wood processing, the CNC Bobcat T190 wood splitter has a powerful hydraulic system capable of generating over 6 tons of force and easily splitting logs for different applications. Boasting a powerful 56cc engine and a fast chain speed of up to 14,000 RPM, the Husqvarna 357 XP chainsaw delivers outstanding cutting performance. The Husqvarna 357 XP stands out with its rugged design and impressive performance that delivers outstanding cutting precision and efficiency. With a cutting capacity of up to 48 inches in diameter and exceptional precision, the advanced saw handles majestic, long-standing giant trees. In the woodworking sector, the Landmax Harvester 400, with its outstanding processing speed of up to 10 trees per minute and the ability to process logs up to 24 inches in diameter, is outstanding in the industry.
A modern John Deere 1470 machine, combined with a man's skillful machine control skills, make wood cutting work lighter and easier. Thanks to the giant Ponce Ergo 8-2 wood cutting machine, the giant tree was cut down in less than 1 minute. Not only that, cleaning tree tops also becomes easy. Look at the large tree trunks knocked down and neatly aligned by the Ponce Bear harvester in the American jungle. The advanced John Deere 1270 harvester has made the work of men in the forest easier and more productive. With a length of about 150 cm, two advanced machines, Stylmez 881 Taskerna 3000, 120 XP processed the giant log in less than 1 minute. (1959) Homelight 926, perfectly gear-driven chainsaw that cut giant logs in half with ease. The McCulloch 797 gear chainsaw is in the top 10 fastest saws with an easy handle and simple operating mechanism that can cut logs in half to your liking. In the middle of the majestic forest, the Rotney H21 machine rushes nonstop, demonstrating precision with an incredible capacity of 300 horsepower. It can cut through wood with ease at an impressive speed of 50 per hour. In the heart of the dense wilderness, the Stylmez 362 rises as a strong defender of forest mastery. With a powerful 59cc engine, it can easily cut through giant logs in the ancient forest. 20-inch guide bar precision. Homelight 3000. 100 serves as a solid companion when facing giant logs. Equipped with a powerful 46cc engine that easily handles huge logs with precision. The 18-inch guide bar cuts through massive blocks of wood at an outstanding speed of 55 feet per second. In the heart of America's wilderness, the John Deere 1470 and 1510 with powerful 9.0-liter engines. The 1470 and 1510 deliver an impressive 268 and 314 horsepower, respectively. These formidable forestry harvesters can process 40 and 50 trees per minute. Ponce machine is fueled by a powerful 286 horsepower engine. This machine combines the art of wood carving with precision. With its advanced cutting heads and sustainable approach, Ponce plays an important role in responsible and efficient logging. In the dense forests of America, equipped with a powerful 300 horsepower engine, processing about 25 trees per minute, John Deere combines sharp cutting wheels with heavyweight to make logging easy. The Husqvarna 372 XP's easy grip handle and simple-to-operate motor helped him cut logs with ease. close-up of the West Coast saw Style 661 FA processing giant logs after the Beach Creek fire near Gates, or with the skillful combination of the man and the giant John Deere 1470 machine, the logs were easily cut and stacked neatly, helping the next job to be done more effectively. Next, the Style M's 462 chainsaw is equipped with a powerful 72.2 cc engine that is skillfully controlled by men. With a simple motor and sharp saw teeth, the wood sawing machine has a precise cutting speed of about 78.7 feet per second. Watch as the VIT-powered hot saw cuts a 30-inch log in less than 2 seconds. Husqvarna 394 XP chainsaw with powerful 94 cc engine, demonstrating an impressive combination of power and precision. This chainsaw easily tackles precision jobs, making it the right choice for professional loggers. In Western Oregon, the John Deere 959 stands as a symbol of raw power in the logging industry. Propelled by a 330 horsepower engine, it makes logging effortless and highly efficient. Close-up of the tree cutting operation on his LX830 with help from the TimberMax T20. With a sharp saw blade, the man operated the M's 462 chainsaw engine accurately and effectively. $2,000. When it comes to cutting wood, the Steel M's 170 saw with its compact 30.1 cc engine, operating at a fast cutting speed of approximately 52.7 feet per second, the MS-170 handles woodwork with precision the most effectively. In the field of logging, the Husqvarna 562 MEC 218 chainsaw is considered a powerful machine. Boasting a powerful 59.8 cc engine, it seamlessly combines raw power with precision. With a cutting speed of approximately 68 feet per second, this chainsaw easily tackles demanding jobs. Amidst wood carving endeavors, the Homelite Super XL saw is equipped with a powerful 58 cc engine. It strikes a balance between power and practicality. Operating at a cutting speed of approximately 40 feet per second, the Super XL easily handles a variety of wood carving jobs. In Western Oregon, the giant Madel 172 stands tall, representing the pinnacle of logging technology. Equipped with a powerful 300 horsepower engine, it is capable of navigating the forest with confidence. processing approximately 30 trees per minute. The Medial 172 perfectly combines power and precision, setting new standards in efficient and sustainable logging operations. The Homelight Super XL chainsaw is considered reliable. With a powerful 58cc engine, it strikes a balance between power and speed. Operating at a cutting speed of about 40 feet per second, this classic chainsaw easily handles a variety of wood carving jobs. Mobile Bagger Boucher 220 mobile excavator with a drill bit approximately 122 cm thick swiftly and effortlessly pierced through massive chunks of wood. Huge blocks of wood were cut down by saws with fast speeds and sharp blades.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.